This is going to be a quick demonstration of granite fills and gold leaf and silver leaf fills, and also just standard colour fills and outlining, etc. So if we've created a memorial much as the way we did in one of our previous videos, then you can see that we've got a grey memorial, and if we click on the one of the frequently accessed granite fills, asks us do we want to fill all the objects, and we just say yes. And Memorial Designer goes and fills the memorial in a granite colour for you. There's various colours available in the frequent fills. If you find that you want something that's not in that list, then you can see that there's a granite fills box down here and a little slidey. And Banner will actually show all the different granite fills that you could choose. So if the one that you're looking for doesn't exist in the frequently accessed ones, then have a quick look down in the granite fills there and see if it is there. That's all well and good if you've got a memorial that's actually already been pre-done for you. If I just delete that memorial and just put a box on the screen, then how do we make that box appear as though it's got granite in it? Well, the first thing to look at is that this is actually an empty box with a black outline, and if we want to fill it with just a standard colour, then if I just left click on one of the colour swatches on the left hand side, it will fill the main centre there. You'll notice there's still this black line, and this button here takes away fill. So if I take away the fill in the middle, you'll see that the fill in the middle, and this is just left clicking these buttons, fill in the middle disappears, left click again to fill this one blue. If I right click these buttons, then you'll see that the outline will change colour. So I'm going to put a yellow outline around. Oh, bad choice, it's not very visible at all on this screen. So let's go for a grey one. I think had I had the border slightly thicker, you'd have seen it. If I right click, we'll get a black line. If I right click on the X, then it deletes that outline completely, and you see the outline has gone. So if you want to create something with no outline, then right click the X at the top there, and that will take the fill out. To make this appear like granite though, what I want to do is I go to the Memorial Designer granite colour option and choose polish. You can have a play with the others if you want, but if I click on polish, you'll see it turns it this shade of grey. It's a special shade of grey, and that shade of grey, when you click on the access frequently granite fills, it knows that that is supposed to be a piece of granite, so it will fill it in a granite colour. If I add some text on, and I'll come back to using text tools and various different controls, so far I've just been using the pick tool, but if I click the left click the text tool and then type in the middle hello, you'll see that my default colour for text is blue. If I want to just select the pick tool and convert that into make it bold so you can see, I want to put gold lettering in, then I can just click the fill gold and it will turn the letters from blank into gold. Likewise, if I just click that, it will turn it silver. If I put a gold outline around it, and I'm just going to zoom in on that text there so that we can see it a little bit clearer, and then I left click the right click the blue button to put an outline around the outside. I'm just going to go to the object properties and make that outline thicker so you can see it. So at the moment it has a hairline border of blue. If I make that 2 points, there you can see that it's got a blue outline around it. Right click to make that black, right click to make it yellow, or right click the X at the top there to make it disappear in its entirety.